This model is for the Z4 and it comes with the latest ID7 menu, Navigation Bluetooth and music, video, car information, dashboard, yes. And in this setting, app, you can install multi-app here. This model is 64 ROM and 4G RAM. This is the latest configuration for this model. And this model comes with the iDrive knob. The power cable has the iDrive control connection here. And there also a cable for the iDrive. You connect like this. It's kind of like, and the other side is connected to the iDrive on the back. Here, on the back. Thank you.